Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been on here, but I'm back and I am doing my vanity in the new house that we just moved in. I was determined to have a vanity, okay? I was determined. And I picked a little spot in our bedroom, and Vaughn said that it was not going to work. He said, I'll buy you a big vanity and we'll put it in the other room and da-da-da. But I'm like, no, this is where I want to do it, and I'm going to figure out how I want to do it. And I did, and we did it together, and I'm very excited about it. I'm in love with it. I use it every day. I decided to do this video with some side-by-side actions just so it won't be too long, and so I can show you guys how I completed the entire wall in one video. So just watch and enjoy, and I'll come back with any little tidbits that I need to add about our process. Thanks. So as you guys can see, the shelf has been put up. That was from Home Depot, and I believe it was like $40 something. It's not a really big shelf, but it's big enough for me to put things on it, and just to have what I need up there. It's not big enough for me to get dirty the way I would normally do, so I have to keep it clean, and I can only keep a few things up there, which is nice. The mirror is from Walmart. I believe it was like $6 or $7, and we just put that on the wall so that Levi can't mess with it. And on the other side, I am putting up my pictures for my picture wall, and I believe it took me about 1,000 pictures to complete this process. I'm exaggerating, I'm not really sure, but it took me a really long time. I had 3 different sessions, I believe. I had to order photos twice, and I had to order little sticky stuff that comes on the back 3 different times to complete this. It took me a really long time to get this wall done, but I will insert pictures at the end of how nice the wall is now. So on the other side, we are trying to figure out where that mirror should go. That's my main mirror that I'll be looking at. It's a little far, so I have a smaller mirror with the magnified side on one side and then the regular mirror on the other side, that I use, whenever I need it. But that's my main vanity mirror, and it's gonna go on that side. And on the other side, I have a little box shelf thing. What is it called? I don't know. It's really decoration. I think it's like maybe where you hold candles, or maybe even a photo, but I decided to put some makeup up there. The mirror and the little decoration shelf thing was gifted, so I didn't spend any money on those things, and I decided to reuse them for my vanity, and this is where we are now. Look at my man being all handy dandy. Don't he look so cute? I love watching him do stuff around the house. Like, I never let him finish because I just get so excited. I'm like, ooh, come here. come hang me up like you're hanging up that mirror. I got issues. But anyway, I'm making sure on the picture wall side, I'm making sure to put sticky tack on each corner of the picture just so that it stays in place. I don't want pictures falling off the wall, and nothing has fallen so far. I'm very excited. This is how the girl that I saw in the video do hers, and that's exactly how I'm doing mine. I'm just trying to fit pictures as if they were puzzle pieces. You'll see me going in and taking some down and re-putting them up just to get a neater look, I guess.